Hi, I've gotten a lot of questions on Chapter 2, Number 23 of the homework set, and I think it has to do with the data entry. So let me just do problem number A and show you how to get some help on the data entry. So the answer for this, it's about the number of protons, so that determines the element, and element number 8 is oxygen off the periodic table. The mass number is 8 plus 8, that's 16, and there's 8 protons, so that goes down here. So the trick is, how do you get this information in that box? So what you do is you click on that box. It'll bring up an answer palette. Now if you know what you're doing, you start using this button because you have to enter the 16, the 8, and the oxygen. Until then, until you understand how it wants you to enter the data, I'd like you to practice first with this question mark button. So click on the question mark button. It will bring you to this, the Answer Palette Help. I didn't think it was really that helpful, but this part right here at the top, how do I use the Answer Palette? That's helpful. So click that, and it'll bring you to some questions. So we don't need to know how to enter scientific notation yet. So choose the next question. It'll say, "Are you sure?" And you say, "Okay." And keep going on down. After you go through several questions, look for the question that looks like an isotope entry. So to enter the isotope, the first thing you do is you click in the box. Once you click in the box, it will bring up a new data entry palette. Click on the isotope entry button. Okay, now I already filled this out, but it should have looked like this, where your cursor was up here. So what you do is you enter 14, and then use the down arrow, and then it will bring the cursor down here, and you enter the 6. And then use the right arrow, and then you enter oxygen. And now it's got the answer in there. The key is you have to use the arrow. You can't use the cursor, or I haven't figured out how to use the mouse or the cursor to get the data at the right point. So practice this a couple times, and then you'll know how to enter the data for your answer for number 23. Let me know by email if there's any other questions. Thanks, bye-bye.